Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run the optimizer in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to the setup page or setup panel. We click on setup and after that, we need just to search for optimizer. Here in the quick find box, just type optimizer and then we will find this optimizer. After that, we will see that this optimizer is analyzing your implementation, which means all the application that you add to find ways to simplify customization and drive feature adoption. So simply, you will need first to allow the access to enable the Salesforce Optimizer app. So here we just click on access, I agree to the term and save. After that, you decide if the app should automatically run and updates. From here, you can run mostly and basically we need just to click on Open Optimizer, and from there you can select your optimization. So from there you can add any items or any applications, and you can start add them there in the navigation item. Since I have no items or no application, I have nothing to optimize in my application. So as you can see, you can start selecting from your items and you can reset your navigation to show the default list of items, etc. So basically, uh, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.